Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Squarespace to Netlify. So the step number one is to access domain settings. So just visit the squarespace.com and log into your account with your email and password. Once logged in, go to the settings and then tap on domains from the left sidebar. So you will see all domains managed by Squarespace, including those purchased through Squarespace or connected from external registrars. So select the domain that you want to connect to Netlify, and then just click on the domain name to open its settings page where you can manage DNS records and name servers. Next step is configure DNS records. So in the domain settings, you just have to click on Advanced Settings or DNS Settings, and then select Manage Customs Record or Edit DNS to access the DNS record editor. So the Squarespace shows existing DNS record, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, so this is for email, and TXT records. So just note that any important records like email or MX or verification like the TXT that you want to keep. So you will need to add new records while preserving these. Next step is to point domain to Netlify. So just click on add record in the DNS settings and then add an A record with host at or leave blank for root. So this is going to be pointing to 75.2.60.5. So this is the Netlify's load balancers. And then after that, add a CNAME record with host www pointing to your Netlify site URL, which is this one. And then just set TTL to the lowest available value, usually 30, 100, or 3600 seconds. So just remove any or disable any conflicting A or CNAME records pointing to at or www to Squarespace servers, and then save all the changes. Next step is to connect to Netlify site. So just log into Netlify at app.netlify.com and then select your site from the dashboard. So from there, just navigate to the site settings. So tap on domain management and then custom domains. After that, click on add custom domain and then enter your Squarespace domain, like for example, your domain.com. And then Netlify will check the DNS configuration and show verification status. So click on Verify DNS configuration to confirm records are correctly set up. After that, just wait for DNS propagation. So this can take up to 1 to 48 hours, but often completes within minutes. Next up is to enable HTTPS and test. So in the Netlify's domain settings, you just have to go to HTTPS section and then click on Provision Certificate to generate a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. So this happens automatically once DNS is verified. So enable Force HTTPS to ensure all trafficked user uses secure HTTPS. So you can test your domain by visiting yourdomain.com and www.yourdomain.com in a browser. So both should load your Netlify site with HTTPS, and you can also use dnschecker.org to verify DNS has propagated globally. So your Squarespace domain is now connected to Netlify. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!